welcome to another vlog of Kushi's Kitchen and Traveling Vlogs. So today is a different vlog. Today I will be showing you how to make a balloon garland. So this is actually my first attempt, and here I have taken according to my girl's dress color. It's actually a pink and golden theme. So I have almost blown about 100 balloons, 50 golden and 50 pink. Now I'm going to make a garland, and make sure that you have the air balloon pump. This will make it a lot easier for you to do it. So here I have a ribbon here, the satin ribbon. Now I will be making the garland with the help of this ribbon. Let's tie it. I have a balloon strip. This is more convenient. You can use both, but I prefer to start with this. We are going to tuck the balloons and this balloon. What you have to do is, I have tied the first one. I will show you the second one. In this we are going to tie the balloon. Let me show you.
Wow!
So now I will show you. In this holes we are going to put the balloon. So this is the way to tag the third one. And what you have to do is, you have to take this balloon strips, and once you are done with one balloon group, you have to move it cross this way from all the 4 balloons. Then you have to do here the other. Now my garland is ready. Now I'm going to place the balloons on the wall. So now I will take a ribbon and I will tie it and hang it on the wall. Here I have put 3 nails, one on 2 on the corners and 1 in the center, and I have tied it with the wall through the help of the ribbon.
Ooh.
You can see here I have used a string, the ribbon, for attaching the letters of party. So on both the corners I have put a nail. Here I even put the red ribbon curtain. It's especially for the parties. So for everything you need nails. Balloons, I'm going to use the balloon strip again to make a balloon column, that is a balloon stand. Without any stand, we are going to make a balloon column. Let's tug all the balloon groups in this hole. Use the letters. The same way I'm going to glue all the letters F, Z and A, my daughter's name. Here I have made a balloon column for my baby Zainab. Z for Zainab. So according to her name, I have made a balloon column here without stand through the balloon strip and the ribbon. And now I'm going to make another balloon columns for my another 2 daughters, Fatima and Amna. Now I'm going to blow the foil balloon. So I'm going to use the same air balloon pump. Here is the hole. We'll put a straw in it. This one we'll insert in this, and then immediately we're going to start blowing it. You can see the orange hole. There is a silver color circle and there is a orange at the bottom. So I put a straw inside. Now I'm going to the balloon got pumped. So you need to, the important thing is to use the straw. And then I have put a tape around it. So here I completed the decoration for the party.
3, 2, 1.